Hey guys, so I dug up this video from back in April when I still owned 2017 Husqvarna FE250, so this would be a 4-stroke bike. And this was a bike I really did enjoy for a while, and but I was struggling with it. I just found the bike heavy. You know, I'm still, in April, still quite new, only been riding for 4 or 5 months. And I had a Rekluse clutch installed in this, so I thought it would be interesting to post this so that everybody can hear, what it sounds like and, how it rides on these trails. I suppose if I were a better rider, I'd be able to manage this Rekluse a lot better. I think the problem that I had at the time, I really wasn't using it the way it was intended to be used. I was still on the clutch quite a bit, and that's not what you do with the Rekluse. You basically just use your throttle and and just go. So that's one thing. And I also, looking back at this video, I noticed that I'm not keeping on the throttle enough. I'm just backing off on the throttle too often, and that's what's slowing me down. But it's really interesting to see how little I knew how to ride back then, and how much I've progressed now. But anyway, so yeah, I thought you might find this interesting. It's an FE250 4-stroke. Great bikes. This one's got the Rekluse Core EXP 3.0 on it, and that's supposed to be the best Rekluse clutch that you can get for this bike. And so enjoy the video.
Here come the boys. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's doing good. Right on. Right on. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, right on. Oh, look at Rafi, just like a pro. Yeah, I know the feeling. Perfect. Oh! Yeah, keep going. You're good. Woo! Just park on the left side of my bike so the other guys can get around. There you go. Wow. Oh, geez, I guess it's just me. Oh, thank you. That's insane. Look at this place.
Awesome.
Look at all that. Okay, just hold on a sec. Here, Raphael, I'll help. Oh, there we go.
I was halfway up it.
Off the bike, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Good thing I got the back pass and the back plate so I came down.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Let's take a break. Stalled. Right on. Oh, this is great. There we go. Oh, wrong turn. Ah.